All right, listen up. Big news in crypto today. Governments eyeing your gains while new investment doors are swinging wide open. First up, Brazil. You know, the land of samba and, well, now, potential crypto taxes. Their tax authority, the Receita Federal, is looking real hard at taxing cross-border crypto transactions. What's the deal? Plain and simple, they want to grab a piece of the action from folks using foreign exchanges. It's all about increasing revenue and getting a handle on this Wild West market. So if you're dealing crypto internationally, keep an eye on Brazil, because this could set a precedent. But hey, it ain't all about taxes. On the flip side, we're seeing some massive moves in the investment world. Let me break down something important for you. ETFs, that stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a basket of assets, in this case crypto, that trades just like a regular stock on an exchange. It lets you get exposure to crypto without actually owning the digital coins yourself. Pretty neat, right? And speaking of ETFs, VanEck just dropped a bombshell, a Solana ETF, and get this, it's coming with zero sponsor fees. Zero. That's a game changer for investors looking to jump into Solana, which, if you don't know, is a major player, fast and efficient, a real competitor to Ethereum. This is not financial advice, but a zero-fee ETF. That's a loud statement. Then we got Grayscale, a real heavyweight in the crypto asset game. They're looking to debut a Dogecoin ETF. Yeah, you heard that right, Dogecoin, the meme coin. This is huge because it shows institutional interest is expanding beyond just the big dogs like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Dogecoin getting an ETF, that's a sign times are changing, folks. Again, this is not financial advice. So what's the takeaway? We're seeing governments trying to regulate and tax, while at the same time, institutional money is finding new creative ways to get into the altcoin market. It's a dynamic time, always something new, always something moving. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.